Hello and welcome. Experience comfort and style with the Qucover King Quilt, featuring a vintage floral paisley design. This lightweight quilt measures 98 by 106 inches and includes 2 matching pillow shams for a complete look. Made with 100% cotton fabric on the outside and soft brushed microfiber polyester filling, it offers a cozy yet breathable feel. The quilt is pre-washed and pre-shrunk, perfect for use all year round as a bedspread or comforter. Its beautiful mixed blue floral print suits any bedroom decor and makes a thoughtful gift. For care, machine wash gently with cool water and tumble dry low or sun dry for best results. Enjoy a warm and fluffy bed with this elegant and functional quilt set. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.